Are you struggling with Windows 10 hardware issue or a blue screen of death? It may be a driver-related issue. In this video, I am going to show you some easy ways to update drivers correctly to overcome specific problems. Before we start, just be aware that occasionally drivers can go wrong, even it can crash your computer if you install incompatible or corrupted drivers, but it does not happen often. But don't get in panic. If a problem arises, a rollback of the recently installed driver will solve the problem. So let's start with first way of updating your drivers, and that's Windows Update. Go to Start and open Settings. Then click on Update and Security. In the Windows Update page, click the Check for Updates button or Download button. And then the update will be downloaded and installed straight away. The second way to update your driver is from the Device Manager. If you need more information on your drivers, then you should look in the Device Manager. Let's take a look at the Device Manager. Right-click on the Start menu and then click the Device Manager. Here you can see all devices which are grouped into categories. You can expand the category to view your device which is installed. Right-click the hardware and select the Update Driver option. Here you will get two options to update drivers. Go with Search automatically for updated driver software option. If a newer version available online, it will download and install automatically. Sometimes the Device Manager shows you the best driver for your device are already installed. But you might know there's probably a newer driver out there. So we need some of the other methods. Another best place to download a driver is direct from the computer manufacturer. In most of the computers, there may be pre-installed Support Assist utility software from Make. Otherwise, you can download the utility from their website. Here I am using Dell laptop and therefore I am using Dell Support Assist. Now I am launching the Support Assist. Here we can see an update troubleshooter. Performing this run will check for the new drivers online and installs if any available. Drivers downloaded from the manufacturer will be the most tested and up-to-date available. The manufacturer is almost always the original source of any driver you find anywhere else. You can also manually download the drivers from your computer manufacturer website by mentioning the device model. If you did not find the exact latest driver yet, here is another place you can visit to download the driver. That is the device or hardware manufacturer website. Here I am showing you the Intel driver and support assistant. To use this method, you need to download and install a utility software available from the Intel website. It has an enhanced detection engine that fully scans your device for new Intel drivers. After detecting your computer, it will list the available updated drivers. You can download and install it manually. You can also visit the Intel driver website. For this, you only need the name of the device. You will get the device name from the Device Manager. If the device fails after updating the driver, you can roll back to previously installed driver from the Device Manager. For this, double-click on a hardware. Then go to Driver tab. There you can see a Rollback driver button.